So in Nigeria, a lot of people who are creative, you would see that they would have to go and do another thing that they are totally uninterested in, just so that they can have a decent life and decent living. But then I always tell people who are creative around me, you can actually live off of your creativity.
Okay, let me laugh out loud. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a tag with Lade Owolabi. She's a fellow content creator. Welcome, Lade.
Thank you for having me.
If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. If you haven't, turn on the notification bell and let me know in the comment where you're watching from. Let's get started. Okay, so today I'll be asking you a ton of questions. Maybe not a ton, some questions. So Lade, why did you start YouTube? Why YouTube for you?
Thank you for having me, Vicky. Why I started my YouTube channel. So the current channel that I have now, I started in 2015, and when I started, I had more direction as to what I wanted to do. But even with my first channel that I started in 2010, which I ended up deleting, the main reason why I started my YouTube channel is to share knowledge. So anything that I find useful for me in life, in whatever area of life, I want to share with other people so they don't have to, because ignorance has a price tag. They don't have to pay the price of ignorance.
Absolutely.
And I believe that people don't, experience is not the best teacher. Experience is a time waster. So if you can learn from other people's experiences, then why not? So that's why I started my channel, to share knowledge.
Wow, that's amazing. Because I remember when I found you out, I was so inspired to be the better version of myself. I love that.
Thank you.
So you said you have been on YouTube since 2015. Is that what it is?
My current channel, yes.
Okay. So that means you had a channel before. Tell us
did.
about that.
I mean, I started the channel in 2010. I was a college student. I was just, experimenting. To me, it just seemed like another social media platform, which it is.
You're right.
At the time, we were doing Facebook and Yahoo Messenger. Had gone to the US for school, and then I saw that there was this platform where I could learn so many things, and people were putting out content, and I saw it didn't take anything to put out content.
Absolutely.
So I just started. I was posting hair tutorial videos, makeup videos.
Absolutely.
So that's why I started, because I just saw, oh, people are posting about this. Well, I know this, and I think somebody might find this useful.
Absolutely.
So the same idea. But then I was very naive, I was very young, and just living the life.
Yeah.
So that was about the first channel.
Absolutely. So you talked about you having one before and now you have a new one. What would you say your target audience is now?
My target audience right now for my channel is ladies between the ages of 18 and 35.
Okay.
But of course, it's not limited to that, but that's my target. It can be anybody.
Okay.
So, but ladies between the ages of 18 to 35.
And I see that you film about faith and Christian lifestyle. I love your channel. I enjoy personally watching it, and I've shared your videos a couple times with my friends and family. It's just really, really inspiring. So thank you for what you're doing.
Thank you so much.
It's making a difference.
Aww.
What would you say are the opportunities that being on YouTube has brought to you? And when I say opportunities, I mean character-wise, skill-wise, and just opportunity.
The whole job of a content creator, especially being on YouTube, in terms of character, I would say it has taught me a lot of patience. Yeah, patience, because people see the end product but don't really know what goes into production of content. So the idea is one thing, executing the idea is a whole different ballgame. And that's why I really admire YouTubers, because there's tenacity. There is that ability to keep going until I get it, like getting the right camera angle, getting the right position, like making sure your frame looks okay,
Absolutely.
making sure your content is top notch. And no matter at what level, if you started YouTube yesterday, or if you're starting your YouTube channel today, or if you've been on YouTube for a long time, I just give kudos, because no matter how little the steps you're taking are, you're making an effort. So for me, it has taught me patience. I am not too hasty to judge people anymore, because I now know that more than what people see as the end product of something, a lot of things go in the background. So I don't even judge any profession at all, because content creator seems like something that's easy to do.
Oh no.
On the outside, so whatever, I've become more appreciative of people's skills, and I've just become very grateful of my own life and where I am now. It has helped me to live my dream. So one of the things I've always dreamt about was to work from home, to be there when my daughter needs, when she was younger, when she needs a diaper change, or when she needs a juice box, when she needs to eat snacks, or when she needs to do something, and just the idea that I'm available.
Absolutely.
I'm not always home, but I control my time. And I think that that's something you can't really get on other jobs. The liberty of controlling your time. So that's one of the things I'm very grateful for, because I'm actually living my dream life.
Amen.
And I'm very grateful for that. So that's one of the biggest things I've gotten from being a YouTuber.
Absolutely. What challenges would you say being on YouTube? Like just the challenges of being a content creator, being on YouTube.
See, this question has different categories. So the challenge, there's a challenge you will face. Like when I was in the US, it has its own challenges.
You're right.
When you enter Nigeria, that just multiply times hundreds. No, not even multiply, exponential, like raised to power hundreds.
Yeah.
Because over there, some of the general challenges, okay, creative block, not being in the mood, because being a content creator, nobody is on your neck to say you must produce content. No, you don't have a boss, you're your own boss, so you need to push yourself. So that's one challenge. But then over here, electricity, noise, internet, all of that.
Yeah.
It's very challenging. Dust, everything, just everything. But those have been the challenges. But, we're able to adapt, we're able to work around them. And I'm very grateful that God has helped me to build a team around the work that I do. And even building the team, it didn't come from a place of, I have a lot of money to get a team. No, it came from a strong passion to see other people make a living from what they like to do. So in Nigeria, a lot of people who are creatives, you would see that they would have to go and do another thing that they are totally uninterested in, just so that they can have a decent life and decent living. But then I always tell people who are creative around me, you can actually live off of your creativity.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you for living that dream and inspiring all of us to live our dreams. They are the people you look up to that inspires you. They don't have to be on YouTube, but they can also be YouTubers.
Okay. On YouTube, the person that inspires me, like every time I need to get motivated to do stuff, Lade Owolabi, she's a South African-based faith YouTuber. So she does faith videos and Christian lifestyle as well. I love her channel. I love her style. I love how simple she is. And I love the quality of her content. Not just quality, quality, video quality, but then what she says is not just fun and games. Like, it's good stuff. So I love her channel. Role model wise, because I'm a pastor's wife, some people may not know that about me. Lade Owolabi really inspires me. A lot of people know her as Mommy Gio. Yes, she's one of my greatest role models as a pastor's wife. Adeyemi as well. So Adeyemi has her own YouTube channel. She has a foundation, non-profit. She has written so many books, and I really just look up to her because she shows the right balance of work, ministry, and family life, and I love it.
Wow. So what advice would you have for other YouTubers or just people that want to start YouTube in 2021?
This advice is going to come from somebody that I didn't mention as a role model, and that's Adeola Fayehun. Her work ethic is just beyond me. And she gave me this advice, and I'm going to give everybody out there because it's one of the things that has kept me in the game. And that is, be true to who you are Don't try to be somebody else.
Wow.
Be true to who you are. If you have a speech impairment or you have an accent, don't try to fake it by trying to speak the way you think you'll be accepted. However you speak, you'll be accepted. You are unique in your own way.
Absolutely.
So be true to who you are. Then secondly, consistency. Adeola told me these things and they have changed my life literally because she's not just somebody who would tell you something inspiring. She lives it out. So she tells you, but then you see the example in her own life. And I've seen her as somebody who is extremely committed to what she does. And so, yeah, that would be my advice. Stay committed. It doesn't matter whether you're getting views or not. It doesn't matter whether you're getting subscribers or not. You know, sometimes YouTube would even advise you to look at your videos that have done well, to make videos like that so that more people will see. But the video that did well might not be really what you are about. So, but stay true to what you're about. Eventually, your audience will come.
Wow, that's so deep. Thank you so much, Lade. I really appreciate that. Oh my God, guys, I've learned so much. I'm sure you have too. If you've learned one thing or the other, go ahead in the comment section and let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking this video. And I love you all.
You won't tell them to check my channel out.
Don't
edit this part out. Don't edit this part out. Excuse me, I will advertise my channel because she's doing as if I don't need help.
Guys.
Please, my name is Lade Owolabi. You can follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, at Lade Owolabi. God bless you. Subscribe, especially if you're a young lady and you know you care about marriage, relationships, and Christian lifestyle.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Victoria.
Now let's do that again.
No! I'm not doing it again. No. I'm putting it like this.
Thank you, guys. Make sure you check her out, and I'll leave all our description in the comment section.
Thank you for having me.
I would not. Love you guys. Okay.